Hey, I'm Kristen with Unexpected Atlanta, your go-to guides for unforgettable food and history walks. Today we're sharing all about what to eat, see, and do, and not do when you're visiting Atlanta. So let's start with some simple do's. First, make sure you come to Atlanta ready to eat. Our city is home to incredible local restaurants, from your home-style meat and veg to international eats, luxury fine dining, and everything in between. Of course, Atlanta is known for its southern staples, like barbecue, wings, biscuits, and peach cobbler. Yum! To sample the best of our city, book our Grant Park past and future food walk. You'll try delicious food at some of the most iconic spots in this neighborhood, like 6 Feet Under right there behind me. Explore the Grant Park neighborhood with one of our amazing tour guides and some new friends. You'll taste some of your favorite dishes in Atlanta with a big ol' side of history. Another fun thing to do in Atlanta, check out a sports game. Recently, our city's team have been on a winning streak, so get in on all the action. Cheer on the Atlanta Falcons, the Hawks, Atlanta United, and the Atlanta Dream. Now, Atlanta's home to a solid lineup of college sports teams too, don't miss out. In addition to cheering on home teams like Georgia Tech and Georgia State, head to Athens, Georgia to check out the 2-time recent national champions, the UGA Bulldogs. Go Dogs! But don't assume your Atlanta sports experience will just be another average game. From amazing hype music to celebrity spottings to a variety of good eats, you can have a fun time even without watching the game. Now, what about some things you don't want to do while you're in Atlanta? Well, for starters, don't call it Hotlanta. If you want to blend in, call it the ATL or the A. Just trust us on that one. Another don't is don't limit yourself to just one part of town. Now, Atlanta is a diverse city with so many different neighborhoods and communities and cultures worth exploring. Like this one, this is East Atlanta, one of my favorite places to come out to. And also, while some parts of Atlanta are walkable, the city is pretty spread out, so plan ahead. You might want to take MARTA, our public transit system, or rely on a rideshare service, or get around town another way. Finally, you don't want to miss out on what all Atlanta has to offer. Check out unexpectedatlanta.com for more things to eat, see, and do while you're visiting Atlanta. And you can also check out our fun and interactive walking tours, ranked as one of the top Atlanta activities to do on TripAdvisor. Oh, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons so you can keep up with all things Atlanta. See you soon.